did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Believe that.
I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. Welcome back.
Today we're making a fly vegan chickpea curry. I serve the curry with rice, so I'm going to get that started. Bring the water to a boil, add the rice and cover it for 20 minutes. I want to tell you guys about another vegan recipe channel. It's called It Doesn't Taste Like Chicken.
Huh?
The information will be in the comments below. Go check it out. To a hot pan, add some vegan butter. Melt that in. Now add some onions. Add some fresh grated ginger and some minced garlic. Now I'm going to add some fresh diced tomatoes. Stir the veggies and cook them for about 20 minutes until they caramelize. Now add the seasoning. You're going to need some curry powder, dried thyme, crushed red pepper, and sea salt. Then add my favorite, some Better Than Bouillon, vegetable base. I'm just going to stir this up to mix in all of the seasoning. Now I'm going to add some chopped kale and some rinsed and drained chickpeas. To this I'll add some coconut milk and some water.
Stir it up, little darling, stir it up.
Cover the curry and let it cook for 30 minutes.
And voila!
As I said before, I serve it over rice, and this is your final product. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.